Couple things real fast. Haven't made a video because there's not really been a lot to talk about. So I wasn't gonna make this one, but I figured I owed you. Uh, Rundown real fast. Fngr, the play we talked about last week, closed at $4 on the chart. Still looks weirdly oddly good. Okay, drops below a certain level. I'm out of that bad boy, but as of right now, I'm holding everything in there. That's fine. Um, XRP. Couple of things I want to know about. There's a decent amount of news. Okay, main thing we got to pay attention to is the deal with USDC Circle deal. That's a big deal. Okay, all of a sudden they were talking about Circle getting acquired, XRP having the highest bid, then nothing. Okay, a lot of people I'm hearing are already assuming that XRP has already acquired Circle and just has not released that information yet. Okay, another thing about the ETFs. XRPI, yes, there's a lot of XRP ETFs that are on hold. I'm gonna tell you something about that. It's a good thing and a bad thing to me. Actually, they're both good things. Like, I don't care. The main reason why I can see them having it on hold is because, one, they know probably there's gonna be a whole lot of money in there, so they don't want people in there. Listen, I think they're gonna play a whole bunch of games, right? And then that is gonna come open when it's the most opportune for them. Okay, so probably when there's I think there's gonna be a drop in the overall crypto market. It's gonna be a drop in the markets in general. Don't know why. Just see a pullback. It's healthy. Okay, it's fine. Either way, that's when they'll release the options on that one XRPI ETF. That's the ticker symbol for that XRP ETF. So I don't really care that these alls are stalled right now. I don't care. Honestly, would rather have them not here anyway, because they're just going to use it to try to manipulate the price. Again, though, this is crypto, this is blockchain, so it's going to be kind of hard to do that. Okay. Another play, NNE. Remember my energy play I told you about? Love that play. We're running on that because Trump signed an executive order for nuclear energy. He's Friday, or he was going to. Don't know. Don't care. But that's why I do care. But that's why it's running. I'm trying to do this fast. It was up 50% since I talked to you about it. It's a good grab. I still think that it has potential in there. It's not at its all-time high. Then I think that, in about 6-7 months, that's probably going to be like a, let's say $90-$80 stock. $90-$80 stock. About 6-7 months. NNE, Nano Nuclear Energy. Okay, heavily shorted play as of right now. Wolf, if it's, I'm looking to get into that. Remember I told you about Bitcoin. What did I say? I don't remember where we're at, but I was like, I can see 105, 110, 115 from here. We got up to 112. What happened? A little tiny pullback. Bragging, just saying, notice something. Okay, that pullback, we're probably not done yet. Okay, I can see that going down to like at least, maybe not low 90,000s, but like at least mid 90,000s. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, 97, 96. Anyway, I don't know why I did that, but you're just gonna have to get all of it. What are we good on? Listen, all I'm gonna say is YZYTKN. That's all I'm gonna say, just for a random reason. Okay, if I was Kanye and I was gonna drop a meme coin and I was looking around, I'd look for one that was like YZY token, kind of silver and white looking with a little weird symbol like that in the middle. Again, for like that. Okay, that would be a white symbol and the outside would be gray. Just saying. Okay. Don't know for sure myself, but that's, if I was, I'm just saying what I would do, or what I am doing. That's what I would look at. That's what I would look for. Ford holding on that, Coca-Cola holding on that, GameStop. Another thing I want to add in here. Listen, something funny. There's a lot of these tokenized. Listen, dang it, I don't get so much time. There's been something that happened. There's an exchange that tokenized about 50 to maybe 100 stocks in the background, and one of them being Tesla. Listen, nobody knows, or at least I don't know, what these stocks are, but I guarantee you, if they are tokenized, if they are heavily shorted, okay, like Tesla's gonna run. Tesla, I don't know where it's gonna go. 6-7 months, $800, $900, $1,000. Tesla's gonna run. And I think if they come out with more bullish news, like if they just come out with like the AI robots or whatever, yeah, Tesla's gonna run. Okay. Anything that's over there. So if you go look, or if it announces anything, and whatever stock that's over there is heavily shorted, watch it. Okay. I have speculation that GameStop is one of them, because ever since it was announced, I've just seen GameStop. There's like, I know. Listen, my trigger for the Bitcoin calls, okay, is great, phenomenal. So yeah, that's going off right now, pinging in my head by GameStop, by GameStop. You just do it, okay? You just do it. Don't know where it's gonna go. Price, let's say about what, 48, 50, 55, and what, 3 months, 2 months, 2, 3 months, okay? If they announce that they're gonna be buying Bitcoin, similar to like a micro strategy or anything like that, cool, right? Peloton too. Calling that one out again. I like how it's looking. Still a whole bunch of institutions own it. Anytime I've seen a heavily shorted stock that a whole bunch of institutions own at $6, you know, yeah, well they eventually probably short it down to $2 and destroy it, yeah. But they're gonna pop that bad boy. They're gonna pop it, to the tide. I don't know, maybe $12. Okay. Those are a couple of plays. Told you a little bit about XRP. You're still okay, so the USDC, yeah, I know you're worried about. Listen, again, with the XRP thing, I don't know if you can feel it yet like I can, but it is just don't even move. Okay, don't move, don't blink. Just calm down. That thing, just let itself sort out, okay? I'm all good on that. All right, so that is a nice quick update. Listen, I'm gonna try to come out with videos, at least one video a week of maybe breaking down a play or giving you insight on what I'm looking at, like really in-depth insight on one particular thing, or maybe teaching you one particular thing that's important. If you want a video or type of video or explanation of something or anything that's not weird, yeah, just put the suggestions at the bottom and I'm gonna help you out on that. Like I said, I'm not trying to be a YouTuber, man. I get there's only like 100 people in here, and I don't care. That's a lot more than I thought there was gonna be, and the goal is to try to get people to, get involved in this stuff. To try to help them, to teach them that your savings account is not really helping you. Okay, it's just if you're worried about losing money, you look at the purchasing power on the dollar. Just in the past year, past 10 years, past 5 years, like you're losing money just by letting it sit there. Opportunities are just gone. So like I said, just doing what I can. 100 people is all I need. I don't want to be YouTube famous. Really don't. Like, it would not be good for me. All right, but I came out to help you guys out, so I'm gonna start trying to, at least try to help you just a little bit more. At least one day out of the week. One day out of the week ain't bad. All the time, heck, though. One day out of the week, I'll give you that. All right, so deuces.